JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
Na tumesija.
Well, long before the wheelbarrow became a political symbol, it was a symbol of opulence.
Dano ni kiama kiria kirathana.
Barori. Matuko mana hau kavereri. Barodi ari mesie meige.
Na tite ni ati we kuraihu.
Yes.
It was not an every homestead
yes.
Gadget.
Turari ari gutari baru cia ex-UK na ex-Japan. Baru ya gura wosho
showroom.
Yes.
Kwa muhidi.
Kwa muhidi.
Ne kuo baro ya guragwo.
Ya bururu. Yes. Kana girini. Kana redi.
Muda tini.
Yes. Na kona kaguru karia gaceke na ni gaturaga.
No kaguru kau had life.
It had life from I mean you could spend your entire childhood at the age of kuguru. Because I don't think they were even spares.
No kuguru ku kware maisha.
Mesire yale wheelbarrow. Rugongo yale mitare.
No mitare muno.
Yes.
No, it was an elite home.
It was a members club. Na no maho yana baru.
Mutare baro nyumba ho ya baro mweke atia nayo.
Ona morayo neki ke umura akuwa. Mutiguthira ciande mwambe mwikinyie maeke. Mugongo. Wata mulima maestro.
Kwa jatu mungiathire ati mwathi kuhoya guria kwi baru ringi kwanyu mutikire baru.
Yes.
Ti muthie muci mwathi kuhoya baru mugatahe mai nayo.
Yes.
I could not.
Goja ukore ati riu ni ndiragorirwo. Mwamba mukorio ati riri. Tutana migura ri.
Murataga naki. Te podiro we. When you deal is a daily affair.
Yes.
Goko kwe barore.
Yes.
Ni mare ginya itangi.
Exactly.
Maginya guthiro we.
Yes. You see barori, misire ale barori. Nyane akona garage yayo. It had a garage. When in use yaro gamagio guo igakomerio ke.
Igakomerio ruthingo.
Yes. Yale kia wira igatwarwo thito. Yes. Ni athambio nayo ania.
Na baru ndo nginya ngiathambirio.
Yes.
Yale kia wira.
Yes.
Must.
Yani arega ikio kuria thito ne kaigirwo gakonia kadafu. And they would make sure the things on it are very heavy. Mutigatinde ko mugefurera ke.
Mugefurera nayo.
Na gari.
Mweterere aciari mathi mutinde ku mugithaka na baru nja.
Riu yaigirwo dafu godia ici
igiri
kindu mutangifokora.
Yaikaraga i murigo.
I think we also did have a lot of ambition. But we are the
no, it was lack of exposure.
Negocia mirone family yale baro. Okora rumagira fertilizer. Aru ya mashani.
Ire akura he no fertilizer mashani.
Kana kahwa ya CN. Yes.
Ukona ori uni mafokera murigo wao.
Ona kiria gya kugegagia ri. Ne the journey to the factory. Kwiru mathiagia na mwana wao. Makamwikira baru. Yes. Hendio ali iruo show.
Mwana gahana rodi.
Ena boshori. Asio kenyite wheelbarrow mwena na mwena. Akahana Patrick Jiro. Kana shaka meta. Yaro gamuku. Mwana wanyu akajia kulirira mukamwira atiriri woi please. There's a very huge gap between the haves
and the have-nots. Please jifunze kutembea.
Iganira mwana hitu Korea uru ri.
Tikagirio kare ya wega.
No, andu aria mari ndatini matianyiteka. Because there was only that model.
Yari ndatini.
Ndatini. And it was lighter. Very user friendly.
Na ndere kira ikiriku.
Yes. And yahuthika hindi ya ndoro. Yes. You see, the only privilege they would give the village pauper the village paupers. Yo hagererio mukanda ha mbere. You sons of a lesser god, really.
Sons of nobody.
The nobodies. Mogusia murigo. Or make it that. That's the nearest you would access that limousine.
Village limo.
Yes. No, they were literally slave drivers. Yes. No, and you would find fun. Not more. You know, those people will oppress you and pretend they care about you. No. Yes. No, those Marxists would laugh there.
Muriagucia ri
Yes.
mutingi homoka ti wheel
Hey,
no mutinde kino decide ri unia kwa ba meige thi
Yes.
and give you an emergency stop.
Yes. Hede nyu mwana ciana cia Israeli wira wa maturubani na wa kurenga nyeki. Kana muzio wa namba rubaro. And you see, if you had relatives who had some little bit of empathy, ni mamu hea hurubaro mwekatia.
Mwathi kuhoya.
Yes. Ne nyumwa hea the terms and conditions ya nasi ya Google Play Store. Yes, the man to
Accept all. TNCs.
Yes. One, mwambe mugirio gukuana nayo.
Mwahe hurubaro.
Yes. Ukari gwatere kia twathi gukua ni kiritu gukira ithui. Riu mwathiaga moya ngurai
hakagwereka rai
mugathi muhoranitie.
You see, the oppressors would not want you to get the joy.
No. Those slave drivers. Mabeberu.
Kuri Mario ru.
Yes.
Mugehoire baru yao.
Yes.
Mwaheago on condition it is chauffeured by one of their own.
They would not give you self-drive.
Baru yao kagana dereva wao.
No, that is how stupid they would think you are. You don't even know how to operate.
Wiru baru.
We are from very oppressive ages.
You are intellect yet no etwarithia baru.
Yes. Never mind ya kinyari. Murigo ria wekirwo ri. That is where the Marxists now delegate. Kiurauga we.
Tutatumo mutuhe hurubare. Tutware betri tukairwe gasanjwo.
No, those Neanderthals would even come na hurubare hende ya kwenda muvira. Akamekomea. Neta me park and chill.
Kira ikia baru. Niguthie na converter.
Yes. Hete soke gokera kahikaria ndaga. Gokamanya hime. Kugwa keta kuiga fortune na kiharo. Kamingari handu karugika-ini uguo
aikarira kirai
na koya guoko atia
akoya guoko uguo ni ta mundu wina piro. I think they have made it.
That's what you maconoke muno hari amari. Ndiki urauga we.
Wheelbarrow owners.
Kwaje mugie heirwo wheelbarrow. You see, there was a rubber sort of
handle.
Yes.
Tutikaraga. Acha tutikaraga.
Gutuike tuora mwenayo.
You'll be blacklisted.
Nikone ta kuhorithia haria.
What handle she? Baru.
Yes. What are you saying? Kwaje ni ugicokia wheelbarrow kwa papa guo mukuru. Ukauga ri ugutwara na mastingo. Hari ga swag. He ndu yoyagwo ukamitega na ki?
Ukamitega na ciande. Especially if you are near the ground.
Yes, if you're not that tall, you're not towering. I don't think Atonya would have maneuvered that. Othiete
uigire handle ciande.
Yes. Ucoke ocemanie na kahova gatiri iguthwa emergency. No, you would almost become Mr. Kaibote.
No yakuagira ha kireru-ini.
Crash site yo ni abao kado.
Sini nile.
Kwaja modu wa hanare you know ifuri ya girigacari kiugo family hako hacora to muthungu ena kofo ena baro na bobo na reki.
Where do those people exist?
I mean, what kind of farming is that? Kada wheelbarrow we. Baro.
Wheelbarrow owners.
Wheelbarrow owners were slave drivers.
Bad ones.
Horrible.
No menye mugiheirwo wheelbarrow.
Yes.
Timu he wheelbarrow munaharie kwanyu.
Hapana.
You have no security measures.
No. Your security within the perimeters was not a guarantee.
Wheelbarrow ndari ya kurario.
No, ya no kundu kwina reke. Na no iwano magithi kwa cai gwa itonga ri mathiana cioria andu aria muheire wheelbarrow mara misuse. Geitheka wa nguru.
Tutie na uru.
He, ni mwateithirie itura.
Niki.
Wheelbarrow mwana yana kwa wa menja ri. Ndakora ekomeire ngui. Sell out.
Chance.
Igwa toka uheicio.
Ekomeire.
Chai ndunajia kuheanwo riu. Reure. It's Throwback Thursday. It is TBT. There is a time. Have you ever heard of something called, I know you have, Kedugeta Human World Drive?
Conflict.
Yes. Because apparently
kaundu kau ni gatene na gatigũthiraga narua
na kwe andu matongirio ni undu ucio anu igu aise andu makiuga atiriri ahuirwo ni munyia kiriho ni thirikari.
Well, never mind, it takes time.
It takes a lot of time. Actually, some people unfortunately are still on those cases, and unfortunately some are even serious. Yes. No kuria gukoragwo ri a conservationist mauga ni ithu tuthia kuria nyamu ciekaga atia
ni ithu tweni kurochaga kwa nyamu ti nyamu ni kurochaga kuri andu. And
apparently the kind system yarehirwo hindi ya Moi. There was a system that was called the shamba system.
Yari hindi ya Nyayo.
Yes. Andu ni metikiragia kurima ku
kurima forest.
Yes. Ukarima forest controlled, still conserving the flora and fauna. Yes.
Umuthi urorekereria andu marime.
Yo mutito ngio ya karirani.
Ndi mutito ngitiga.
To ngiria iyo miti tariri. Gatoteka mukara kari ya miti. Nigaturuka ndendu. There is a woodpecker. Yes. Iyo ya the wildlife. There is a time tugikura kwari na kindu gitagwo livestock and the villagers coexistence. You see, modern day farming ya livestock new do technology and what have you and exposure okorado maraka ciugo very modern, ultra modern ngigathi miderwo
na igakwo wega.
Yes, they have a drainage system ya kwa ng'ombe. Yes,
na ng'ombe ruginya ni iguragirwo mattress.
Yes, and they have hagukoma.
They have mattresses for cows.
Na aria nao makorwo mena gaciringi kega magacikirira country music.
Yes,
kwa njigua Don Williams ni gaithagia iria muno
na Charlie Pride.
Ici Charlie Pride itiendaga ningi mubuko
itiendaga ici new age.
Yes, itiendaga mapangari. There is a time livestock is still very valuable to us. No, it was the only valuable thing around. So literally, you would co-share the living space with your animals. Yes. And of course, tondu kuria na theine gutire githie uhiuri wathiari muno kwa ihe.
Uhiu nduguthie master.
Acio no waingira nyumba ri wamba ukora the goat pen. Yes.
Gicego. Waingira uguo.
Yes. Na ni he undu mburi ikorora te kuri. Tani urethi urore mburi. Heka undu urora mburi. Especially mburi ire ya gitiri ikona kaburaki haha. Hadi urora mundu. Waingiraga ukamba gucemania na ki
ukamba gucemania na uhiu
nigetha ucoke uthie riko. Yes, Tene sitting room re.
Well, you know sitting room gikuyu gia Tene ri.
Yes,
mugo ndari sitting room.
No, the common area was outside.
Yes,
if not the kitchen.
Sitting room ni uthungu.
Kitchen ni kwa mwathia life. Niko le kwa corona eta tanya mono stage ya kaga
ile ko podcast.
Yes.
Ile podcast.
Yes. No, animals used to live with people. You even used to share pests. Why you get out shino gakora goko magutu
Mura ikarania no hiyo.
You see, especially when a boy child did na ndole mongetie ri
ndo ikorokete
what did you cure your water yo?
No.
An animal would be allowed into your territory anytime.
In the not a bedroom per se.
No,
it's where you sleep.
Your area. Ano na ng'ombe anyu mukaigua ni twale twaga thuita kwa ndume maita maya.
Mary.
Yes. We jua atwara it was 83 times. And that was just to make sure.
Just in case.
Yes. It was to a farm. It was an affirmation. One rau ni aje goikia matathanati ma kuhuna ri no amenyaga in the next few months you will have a roommate
in the name of Gashau.
Yes. And that is how some of the very notorious boys in the village would practice very ungodly acts with their roommate. I don't know what inspired that, but it used to happen.
If you know, you know.
If you know,
you know.
Waja ogia shogire kwa mutigo kiratene na kugasa une gaciarirwo gwika atia
niko itha ria kuria kuoka kana.
Yes, niko itha ria gukamwo nikaigua kwa aba shwe
gakamenya nikagagurwo.
Yes. Wario como kaigua ma kila we What kind of life is this?
Na haruthiria rwambea ukona riu ni kwanjiriria kuingira minyirire ya otheri.
Yes.
Gakamenya ni gukiire.
Na ndwe ndungihingurira njao ati ethie.
Acha.
No, you had to monitor its movements.
Na yume nyitwo ni ngoma. Ituhururuke itura igima.
Itura choke gweru kana iri maria mai. No, jawegi urani ure onawe.
No, you chase it.
All the way. Onoko kumekinyia ginya kimungu kia Bagaton.
We boro umeki sure gicoka ni mwacoka nayo.
Yes. Nyamwiri eti kira yo coexist. No gui.
Iyo ni inje.
Iyo ni inje. Acio na ngui cia tene ri ni cieka kindu githeheda na iso. A nice measurement. Yeah, how much ingiria mutume ki
na nyumba theini.
Negakorwo the larger proportion eja in case yago ikirio gicinga.
In case of evacuation.
Ngui cia thiko ici tithia river. Siempre le decía
reverse.
Yes.
Which is very strong.
Very strong. Oh, kiraro shino kaiwa. Meow, 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 meow. Kumbe baka yanyu ri ni heirwo ciana urere-ini waku. No ato okero ndugatuhutie. Ni kurega ki?
Ni gutu reject.
Anu era gwatiriri. Ni urakihutirie tunyau nyine raturega. Tuongithie. You know, he has a very strong sense of oheness. The mother would say, these are not my kids. Maikarana how ginyarekia kindu gitagwo breastfeeding. Yes. Kwa jacia cia tunyauta tatu nana. Yes.
Ukamenya riu ningi ni mwaturere mwanjiriria gwitanira.
Yes. Ito bakana ciori. Ani mwan kare jaga ciumagare.
When you hear dependence,
yes,
ya baka.
Yes. But tamo ikara anazio. Yoba. To shui. Okiroka.
Kwaja rukoro agwitu. Ikarana to shui. Na mo tukunikiria na gikabu kia macani.
Yes. Tugo shino iwa kola. In fact, those were that was the rhythm of the village. They used to ring in your head. Meow. Hali mwana karamu no kwaja nyau yanyu ekiriwe iria jongwa. Tone jaire. The time there was a human livestock coexistence. Yes.
In a homestead.
Very well. Kwaja kuongea twekire riu ni he mundu woka riu ngarehera thoguo mburi. Ndio gutukania na ici ngene getha access health.
Yabe thurimo.
Iroroka na ena communicable
disease.
Bao igio kwa ihe. Hali kireria thiko igiri. Kaiwe kariu no igire ki.
No etwa ruru-ini.
It can join the rest without infecting them. Yes.
Yaja na 50.
And you see koko kwaje egia kori ara gwaku. Go suspect tu atenere kagia. No koko yare kena is a very noisy fall.
You shout everywhere in the village.
Leo go suspect gokuyoria yuma ko uri.
No nginya ikonere kagia.
Yes.
No matumbe maure.
Yes.
It cannot be accounted for in the system.
Yes. And you know you could not cook an egg in a homestead because the smell would go all over.
Leo mundu ahithanagia kwa hagirwo githeri.
Yes.
Okay, hithania.
Yes.
Ugataimithio kona mukuru ni auma. Ogathiuka. No kahinyiriria na ku theini.
No taime gitikarugarugio tondu kingirugarugio.
Hathondia itumbi.
Yes. Na kwe maikagia muhuini. Na oregi ahutio nega karari agabata tia gasi.
Rehore.
Fencing. Yes.
Rùgiri.
It's called kuhirega.
Kuiriga rùgiri.
There was no rahirigurire haria dirahirigite.
Hirega.
Yes. There's a place called Hirega.
Hirega ikuria mathira.
Ikuria mathira. Uria kwa constituency ne ya Yogu. Yes.
Hirega ne mathira.
Kuria maragweterwo ri oramara makabururuka.
Makabururuka.
Mabuge bako ure.
Karari nari.
Give it a name. Most homesteads had live fences.
Live fences in Hiriko.
Live fences in Hiriko. Never get Wakomera.
Ni mumea tu.
Yes. When all these live fences need a shina the tima. Never get Wakomera Nagosha.
Nagosha.
And you would know what to plant for the fence. Yes. Of course, there were very few demigods. Marina Rùgiri, is it Mutarako weta Cyprus?
Hey. Hey. Go. Automatically, I mesi ya mahiga.
And those homes had a driveway.
Yes.
Yari na Cyprus yo. Na yari. Nikala mutigasho da ye mesene anyure. Eka unithio.
Leo ni misire yari gate igiri.
Yes.
Ya fara meini.
Yes.
Naru ya kuigira compound ya muci.
Na we compound inere. There was another access gate ya guthishamba.
Yes. No, go tigwa gukira anywhere.
Na Cyprus ya kundu gutari kanyamuri ndiatumanaga
ni aregaga pio no muthe ni aregire
yagi yathenya itahana ya bataye muti
muka give up
fence ya koro hey off ground. Ya na vikati. And no matter how hard you try to contain it,
they would not.
No amukarara yerogiro
Rùgiri ne rwakararagia pio.
Ito kesi cia kona Rùgiri rwa Cyprus very well shaped. Kwaje ru kundu kwaheho. It does well.
Very well.
Na ndio mena gate ya ihana rutara rwa gucina nyama.
Bas.
Yes. Nega curi hau karufa ukamwe ne kundu
ku.
Yes.
Makandika ginya plot number.
Yes. LR number. Yes. Na drive the way ori ina mahiga meri mari tu na raini. Ukamya kundu kuingira ake.
Kuingira ngari.
Yes.
Nacio no ni megucagiria ginya thimu ire ya raini.
Neki urauga we. Ake uragiro ne PC atha magugu. Kana oria. Eto atia boy. Yes. No, those were homes on a mutiagera haku na Rùgiri ro.
No.
You would not even find idlers sitting there.
No, unless you are suspected to be criminals planning.
I would think you are planning a heist. Oigua duhere uwe. Mutiere ku.
Hau. Hero ku.
Kuru mureikaria. Etige sonoka. Ndio nyumba cio na mabati ma red. Yes. Aita ituru vale kana ibati rĩrĩa rĩ umuna nĩ rĩhake red. Yes.
Na mĩcio kĩndũ onaga wĩ bara no cumune.
Na ndogo. Na ti ndogo ya mwaki wa kũruga. Nĩguo ta.
Hari ya metha-inĩ.
Yes. Ikũmbĩ rĩa ũrĩa kona stairs.
Rĩu ikũmbĩ ya idilita rĩrĩa tuonaga ibuku-inĩ.
Yes. Ĩna nginya faranda with a view. Tigirana rĩ. Mention your fence was multi-purpose because it was also animal feed. you would be very careful what you plan so that you can substitute
when times get tough.
Actually, wakura muno ri. Moiga muti na hinya wa uceha ri. You would just let your goats do the work. Heather gesia ko ndaihu ni ari yaginya pinako.
Ngiterera guo.
Yes.
Na mambere.
The lantana eta lantana kamara. Lantana kamara is called what in Kikuyu? Ira ruta tutunda tuiru tunito na kapeko komo.
Which one is that?
Lantana kamara leto kwirwo. I just don't have the Kikuyu name. Na maroro. Maroro was the lowest form of security.
Maroro.
You see one? They were considered for lazy people. They would grow. And the villagers sometimes would actually send you a delegation. You
have encouraged.
Now how come you don't go out there? And it's only holding to Sifa oka na ke
na gathibo
na cia wangu ukironda uo rugiyo
rutikarare
yes
rucehwo
tondu ruetere jinuthu
rugathondeka gathike tifara
yes na heondo rwakuraga mwaro cia mwaro coki original ri mwako now you are in 3D
mwaro ukamuhaka ri
yes murono mukiuma bafu
tondu rwathirire guku thiini
yes so that was considered a shortcut yes ukire micie nayo there were very few homes yakona rugiri rwa chain link Hetagwo Messi. Yes.
Ati kwi Messi woya.
Actually handu makura ruongo matari mona roro. Twacioneire handu ya tuka Nairobi.
Ya Messi wa.
Messi waya. Yari ya marodi. Institution.
Yes.
Na makanitha maria meiguite.
Na institutions iti primary.
Ana. Ona titheko nyingi hai nitwanyitana yes na kundu kurabatara andu makoro me thiini ta njera ego andu babatara gukome confide barajau Luangia meigua ri. It was also a sign of upwardly mobile people. Ni mogionia ri muthuri fulani ri. Ihesi yake igire ri. Niciono cia bata stage na kamutega icembe. Mukamenya gathie gwikiro gatagati ga thiringi. Makuane
thigi.
Na thiringi ni mukoro muinua na code.
You must be in unison.
Especially when going downhill.
Kanone ya ni ori ongi.
No, hika breki.
Thigenge ni atirania.
Yes. Thigenge nayo ri. Most men back then they never used to employ casual laborers. They would just get a working name. Working name natoka aria rucio.
Ukwenda atia.
When you go kai gutukiareria bara. Akamenya hau
hewira.
Yes.
Ni wira atumwo.
Matinda makigatha thiringi.
Na jiri.
Yes.
Kera jiri haha.
Yes. Na wira ucio no amahe ticket ya kurehero irio kianda. Yes.
Na cie hiyo.
And not conventional traditional meals. Tigithere.
Ata.
Yes. Nega kimaka mahu. Iria imata. Yes. Mau mathi makarekerie ki?
Makarekerie buroti.
Na thegere mwene arehaga interclan warfare. Tondu one, the station ya thegere. Wakoraga riu ni mura complain muno mugunda wanyu ni urateremwo. Ikwageire ki?
Andu ni matuire mugunda wanyu bara.
Tikati. Yes. Ona maembe manyu mathireke o matute.
Nikuyo.
Yes. Na mwekira thegere. Unlike thiko ici kwageire otheri. Andu matiamenyaga. Mundu aigua thegere kanua.
Ahĩtũkĩire hau rũcinĩ oria makĩmenyeria gũtuĩkanĩria mũgũnda kwanyu.
Yes.
Na inyuĩ mwairiga mũthenya.
Yes.
Akiuma buroti na mairia rĩ.
Yes.
Agĩũka ũrĩa amenyerete.
Yes. Mũkaigua aciari a mwena ũyũ nao matiraranĩria. Mwora angĩ mũkoria Simon. Nĩkĩ baba wanyu mekania na ithe wa ũrĩa wa Jehu.
Marũire mba.
Marũire nĩkĩ? Tata Jehu ekĩrie thĩ gĩkĩ harĩa baba ageraga ĩkĩmũtarũra kĩrĩa kĩromo. Aba wakaigua nĩ bau atĩrĩrĩ.
Mũthuri wĩra arenda atũragĩre ciana.
Because before people got the memo, ati hapo hakuna njia, there had to be some few injuries.
Na no nginya ma sensationalize.
Yes.
Nigetha ũtuĩke ũrenda kũmoragĩra ciana nĩkĩo rekĩrire thĩ.
And you see mathiaga gwĩ cibũ atua cira na kĩ
na kĩhoto
akoria atĩrĩrĩ hau airigĩte rĩ nĩ gwake
no nĩho tũgeraga tũkĩringa mũrĩmo.
ndĩroria atĩrĩrĩ koguo mũgeraga kweni
andũ au arĩ njĩra hĩndĩ ya majeneti.
rĩu bairo iria ndĩ nacio haha rĩ ironania njĩra ndĩrĩ handũ harĩku. Koguo nĩ inyuĩ mũkwehera kwene
mũcoke itiki-inĩ.
Yes.
Nĩ aratũraihĩria njĩra ya rũĩ.
No, you had to prepare for politics.
Dirty politics.
Very dirty. Yes. And almost armed resistance.
Yona nĩ mwairigaga.
Yes.
Wako mũgũnda wanyu ũkĩriganĩtie na barabara. Na rĩngĩ karenji gakĩrĩ gatenderũ.
Yes.
Ũguo rĩu kwagĩa tenderũ rĩ. Andũ nĩ menyitagĩrĩra rũgiri-inĩ.
Yes.
Rwere. Ũcoke ũmekĩrĩre thĩ gĩngĩ njerũ njũgĩ.
Mũndũ anyita ũguo athecwo arekia agabacana.
I would consider you an enemy of the people.
Ati gũkũ nĩ maugire meikarie. Ũguo ronia airige rĩ nĩ eikarie.
Nĩ meiganirie.
No wĩtanaga icimba. Na gũkũ mũthuri ũcio ũkaga maita matatũ mwaka. And you see, most people did not have money. If there was a very rare cases ya mũndũ wĩirigĩte mũgũnda wothe. Wairiga mwena ũrĩa ũrathũra andũ arĩkũ.
Ũrathũra andũ acio. Kana mwena ũrĩa mũrona is a weak link security wise.
Yes. Face front. Nĩgetha deceive andũ mũgũnda nĩ mũirige wothe.
Nobody would have the muscles. Ũirige mũgũnda wothe.
No, an acre or two. That's a lot of barbed wire. No gacuria kabati au gacengenge nĩ ng'ombe.
Kwairigaga office
kwanja unye thĩ gĩkĩ wengi atemire ng'ombe ya mũndũ
kana njaũ
kwanja ĩtemwo kũgũrũ kĩronda gĩgĩthiĩ mũno ĩtuĩke nĩ kũrĩo kĩmandi.
Ũcio nĩ ũthũ wagĩa,
especially if it is your brother.